Classic madhi timore e alap mar tuke mar Nyayo chieng' tich abich mar jumani. Jang'wech ma Kenya Mercy Okech onyiso geno maduong' motelo ne tukego, ka jowetene mawuok e pinje maloka bende wacho ni giikore makare ne tukego ma bende ibiro bed ka itimo otieno kuom thuolo mokwongo, nimar odhi bedo kochakore kar sa 11 odhiambo to rumo kar sa 3 otieno. Jaloch mar mita 800 e piny ngima Wanyonyi dhi ringo e ng'we mag mita 1,500.
I've prepared well. I'm still hoping for the best. Still hoping to defend my title. From the previous meeting and this meeting, I think this will be the best. I've worked on my starts and the finishing. I hope this meeting will be good and I'll do my best.
So far I'm feeling good. Just working on whatever my coach tells me to. He's back home in America, so I just make sure I keep in touch, ask him what he wants me to do. Today he just wanted me to get the full warm-up in, and then tomorrow will be pre-meet, so I'll probably get the full warm-up plus some block starts to really, get my start together, because in Ethiopia my start, I didn't really react, so really want to work on that and prepare and just have an overall better race. So I'm hoping to, my goal is to defend my title since I won it last year.
Maya, are you finished?